Merakuku, Metogbe, Nama Chichio, Mechiamo penny for, and ne, me call Togbe afede, assassin so. I don't me friend me Davy, as I say I'm on the Ewerland. Still your Ghana month, you celebrating different regions, and ne, me drew the Volta region. Oba, if you happen, say, Voltarians, they had doors to ye pa. One more, I know we Juma be brom, we Voltarians, you know, and I pay my main champion for. Master is dry, I was said department, Medaku, F1. I was Moses, Komi, and so was sound engineering department, oh. Kumi, no, I brought for Liza, no Komi, and Medaku F1. Jifa, Ajololo, and so a cleaning department, and a pay watcher in my hogba. Now, my chichio. It's always a squad in a time that you are here, palm. Now, one thing I may know more, Juma, me when say Voltarians are very sweet people. And Ganga was Moses, I ready. I gave way. Metamoswa, now I'm sorry. Because I am soon nipa, Sana Mudonipa. May me experience with them. Extra me say they are good people. Many more experience with Voltarians, but my experience, in fact, me offer kwame. Ne yere ma gifty. Pentecost software penny pa ne baba ya ma gifty. Oya igbeni. Ti mo offer wari igbeni. Ti many of my experiences kakra. I'm saying for a fact, say they are very beautiful people. Na yamma bontembe hadie. I go for from number 9. And then me be phone lines in them 0302-211-70124 0302-211-70124. It can be a phone lines, but me be sometimes I na quite mixed feelings. You can number 9 e be mo bufu e be mo mpek nesa and na o can number 9 e be mo suji too proudly because e be mo chere say the first beauty queen I see in Ghana has say no. None number bono ye 9. No if you Volta region. And no mudi nye din number 9 no. So me say me hu ade kontia e bi mo mpese e be form. In fact, master is right into the from number 9 and e bi mo boy form e bi mo mpe. Because who tie the abakosem behind the number 9 it's very intriguing and it's very very dope. It's now ya igbeni afre me, but wa igbedin now che me okasa no ebi. Yanko Volta region near niema omo wo ho. They've got some of the best schools. So what kind national science and math quiz? School be a beji ni din till now. Yet your mudia na wo so akan. Enya no nagano no jimolo. Enya na magano jimolo. Enya no magano jilolo. Mo feda mo nje what? Keta SHS. School be na uti din kwa na ohun wo so. Nimdiefo akunini abenfo egusa school mo no etitini a keta a producing no land of Volta a land of education na obidi wada na ba keta into na in schools a omo ebi mawuli school agini din a melauku ayemekwa na meka achewa about mawuli SHS. One of the best schools in Ghana are located on the Volta soil. Omo a too dope. Oma biye pa. Omo wo University of Health and Allied Science hohoi and university we say so ewo Allied Science. I mean look at science. Well me boboso ni actual schools ewo Volta. Ningi na so ewo serene environment. Koye pa yo whole training college hoi kwofo akofam kwofo efi Volta ho kwofo efi che omuna Badwam pem ewo ho technical na yeah kan me ankwohwe some of the schools the beauty of it yeah ba maloku bebe isia
Keta Senior High Technical School was founded on 27 February 1953 and is located at Keta in the Volta region of Ghana. And this is the entrance of the school. Popularly known as Keta School, it responds to the slogan Jolali and is one of the best Category B schools in Ghana. As we enter the school's premises, we see the very beautiful compound of the school.
Merakukunya wezolo. Me sounds mama kwa bebim. Still in the Ghana months and a tall Volta region. Yakain, yeah, some of the tourist attraction centers are Volta. Your friend be the Snake Village. On kwana wa abweshi. I mean, we men kwa hoda bumbat. Omona eka in fact, Volta for mon frame. And kwa for year transfer. Mon frame na mo amon kanu kre woman say. Is it true? Say what the Snake Village. Now what is saying? Wako hoda 0302-211-70124. Medauku frame. If you vote and then you mude. Yes, celebrate Timon Frere. Yes, this Snake Village. I just won't na wa shiano. Adam and Eve gardening Eddie Crown fan home. Because what meeting in there cost the Snake Village, and it's very intriguing. We want to know. Dear Coswo one cassa. Much than how much for one you go. And now warning in our more kind of home beshiaho. It's time I say no if you vote our down and patch off frame. Na yanka ba mo region ni nyina yensia bibi kakra. Omo Volta Serene yenhwe eno so Volta Serene ya bia e wo Volta region unya kwan a utu kwan koda side ho a aya na wafa ho Volta Serene e honom. Mount Afajato is very popular. You call school na the idea that you chima who be so be about Volta region. I would first look at Mount Afajato because it's a very popular place in the Volta region. Everybody knows about. Obiabas, Madam, good morning.
Good morning, Sir Sandy.
Madam, for Medofo Panambacho Frose.
About your family mobile.
Okay, we didn't.
Sir Sandy, where you go?
Akwana miakata. Nambacho dina chase. Oh wow, I see. Okay. Oh wow, that's so beautiful. That's beautiful. It is ano your friend number 9. I wanna hear now. Did you get angry and it's okay?
Oh, I know they to me higher.
Okay.
Because I did that was the Nipa will be queen on say a number no one say I'm there that home. But one of your friends and Hannah maintenance because we vote original so number 9 and my name how. Good. But I'll acquire akata. Akbono, my yada baba just wait with our CV. Okay, what's it coming? Oh, amen. Medase. It's one sanya. Yatrim na bakwa cemetery say. The first beauty queen. I mean, this is history. You're beautiful. You have to embrace it. It's because social media no be number 9 no more. I don't understand. You gina ye nipa ba ko odomeka me wofa ofia eyi akuapem lata oware igbeni. Fefe fani etwo ma give ti arope mechia. Obi abaso. Hi, good morning. Madam Kwafua. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Madam Kwafua.
Hello.
Okay, but you're not free.
Me free term I come to 25.
Now, why you being the same?
Me de Yayura.
Yeah, sure. That's a very common name. But I try say. Insura. Okay. Then I bet me I can't far region when I pay about me a CBA.
Oko Volta regional. Yeah, my papa be brave. Was saying now we actually. For education.
Yes.
Bia ya come type bia like school bia o pese oko bia from crèche
Sa Kosi
University.
Who Volta regional and who here so be Chiako baby. I call baby, I call school. Aha. And ya wa poda ho over kwampa okuma so hu poda over keta poda ho be
enti ho na what short am Kumasi for Kumasi for hu poda bara ku akwada me akata
Volta region at least obenya ne ma bebre
yeah say
patrol Mount Lafaja to a lot of things
yeah that say akwada me akata Kumasi ma mu fi no ati yes you leg bosom chwa obi aba so hi good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Sandy.
Justice, Madam Kwafwa.
Hello.
Aha, as I say, you can say one here na Justice.
But I'm not me educating something small.
Okay.
But I'm saying I can say mountain Afaja too.
Okay.
With the brother mountain Afaja, because to in Bulgarian means mountain. So when you say mountain Afaja too, you're trying to say that mountain Afaja mountain.
Wow.
So rather you say mountain Afaja.
Okay.
Or Afaja too.
Wow. Wait a minute, I say. Thanks for the correction. I really do appreciate.
Okay, Mr. Sandy.
Medasi fi so frɛ. Eti abusia na yesu ekwo school teachers ne bebre abonbon na omode Afaja to na hye etiri musa no. Anopa yesua bibi. O si to in Volta language it is a mountain. We've been pronouncing it wrong all this while. Wow, interesting. Anopa yesua bibi. Mountain Afaja. Okay, almost sounds so Adom Bridge, which is very popular. Adom Bridge. Omo Keta Lagoon. Omo wa wo Tafi. Where the mess the medical comensada mess mamuni ya mo pancha mwate. Omo Tafi Abwefi Kente Village. Wow, these are places unya chance ako Volta region be twice ako show ho. And trust me, just say nipa no kra no so krom ho very neat. One say aha na yedo so show bebre na America yedo so aha. Ba ko ha nipa no so very serene environment. They have this hotel. Is it Volta Serene or something? Very nice hotel. Trust me, unya chance to kwanko Volta region na ko hwe ni so ade. Nipa no ho efe, krom ho efe, O ye wi me ya to aso ama. Yenko anuane omudi. Ye ko Volta ko ye show. Mete wo pan na papa bi twi meko no de. Enam nkitinkiti bi gum. Ha! Abobitawi. Hey! Chese, and I ha wo kan banku no e different bi. Na ne de. Me ba nkra fe me ya mfa me ya na e banku. Me ya na e banku. Sa ye se ye fe no e wokpele. E wokpele. Odofo wo fi Volta fra no pe na kire me ye wate. Onua ho aye mobo. Eni meko bi ni na wo se ba abobitawi. Ready oh ye we. Be ma me ra wa no pe kwa. We wonya wokpele no tumu a wodofo. Voltarians in Nuane there, and one thing about Volta women, they know how to cook. My producer, Sandra Akapo, my former producer, or ye Volta and your food joint to be Akapo's eatery. It was very tasty. And the Volta women, maybe no many experiences, so make casa from experience. They know how to cook. Or maybe I need de. Or small bomba Volta women. What? Bomo. Or more agbele kakulo. I don't hear find the banjaka kunana. Osmo enwa Debbie train agbele ka kuro no na ye friend banchi aka kuro no ye de to nyo banchi ma aka kuro me ye de na me nya bi ye di eti obi kuro ma duane pa na mo de banchi abehye ni mo se ni saro agbele ka kuro agbele ne chese banchi na se ye no ano no ene ye so ye na banchi aka kuro. I see. Voltarian snack. Hey, that's nice. I never knew. Your factory toto. Nye toto, nye toto na odwen. Aduane esam na making. Factory toto. Aduane bi na wotia. Omo agala dengbele. Agala zengbele. Omo wa akbele. Aw, enyane ne de edoso. Now, these are some of the foods Oko Volta Tower, try eating. Unim Voltarian bi wa Accra, try eating. You would love it. What? Now, answer na meye makweba birthday amano mark chemisima mienu. One of the greatest artists to ever bless Ghana music industry no Aibe Adom. Osmo bonsema sa abranti. Very versatile artist. The first artist to start rapping in Ewe. Yejilo yegbe. Yejilo yegbe.
my language no be very attractive. Emma ni nua no me wo Volta na ba ko bia refer ni chief one. I bear them in a PV way no. Senior, me bodia the kotona me tu chema. Ghana ne enka no kre. Enche ne atu ni pa atwene enche yesi atwem wo hunwoma atwem ye enwoma atwem anka ye tie da de lumba ne amachi dede. Enwoma ntwem. Adom is a versatile guy. He came with rap. He started singing, he ragga, and he's doing his own thing, hits after hits. Adom, and page your flowers. Oh, your guy style, baby. You made a well language very, very attractive. See, I pay me two chema. They have great artists. Stoneboy is an ewe. Sifa is an ewe. You didn't say Sifa ko. They have plenty artists in Ghana. It's when me can't go to say Ghana. Ye pe. Ye we are one beautiful people, different cultures, diversity, beautiful. And you know, me the best. Celestine Donko Kransu AI Beni, Celestine Gospel musician Celestine Donko. Or our name is Sonia Donko. No, also AI Beni, also the Tonyum Kama. Oh, big shout out to you, Voltarians, my Voltarian sisters. Happy birthday in Koma Alpha, Deborah Ampim, Jodu. There's a within our party in the company, no. Alpha Production, Alpha, Deborah Ampim, Jodu, Miracle Community International Schools, Sepeman, Wayfree, Opapa. Mr. Joju ho. Hey, we'll be a chame message. Oh, thank you. Was it Chicago and Exodems started rapping in Ed? Okay, great. Thanks for the correction. Thank you for the correction. That was a quick one. Was it Chicago and Exo started rapping wo? I beka same one sana Adom eba, which is true. Seniors, mo fan chame, but I think Adom played a very good role with the Ewe language. And Chicago Dems were there, but Adom, raise it to a different standard. Ding in no, you two chema munina. Big shouts to Ike before. And you know, so this is Ike. Asanana, I'm not sure, but if it's you, thank you so much for the correction. I love to be corrected. It's here back home. Also, my man, and you're no back when you're near me, debat me who to. And no gana na Jimolo, and young gana na Jimolo, and na Jimolo. Mark Webber, I'm a director. OPD, my producer, Eddie, and our Prince International, Osmosis, Solo, Makeup, Eugenia, Baden. Madauku, Aquana Miakata, Davi, Medibesia, Yami Adoma, Fiada, Yababi, with the Ghana Man celebration. Medibesi, Nemo, Mebesia, Omosa, Agbaja, and when you didn't have a to me, Charity, because Ubu, we can't say why a day, but Medibepo.